do better. I'm so in love with the chatter. I'm so in love with my little boo. It was written like a letter. Think I was born with the juice. Think I was born with the sauce. Think I was born in a crate. Then I turned up to a boss. Gotta go and get it.
What up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to opening day Colorado, opening day Wolf Creek, opening day the US, the first ski resort to open in the United States. I'm so excited to be ripping, and we came last year for opening day and they had a lot more snow. This year is gotta be careful. Like, you literally can see dirt everywhere, but we're gonna have a blast. Super stoked that Wolf Creek had us come out here. So guys, thank you so much for having us, and enough talking. Let's get into the shredding, dude. Opening day, let's go. Every time you fall, you're like, is this the time that I break my spleen on a rock? All right, guys, it is early season conditions. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's so sick. Definitely have to take it mellow on a day like this. This is like extreme early season conditions. They only got 16 inches of fresh snow. So one, if you catch something and it makes you fall, the likelihood of falling onto another something goes up. So always just kind of ride mellow. We're gonna not go super extreme today like we normally do, but I'm so happy to get in turns. My legs are burning, my feet are burning. The only thing that burns more is today's sticker shout out. We got Russ Cuss with the white Evolution sticker on the helmet, man. Looking so sick. Thank you so much for snagging an Evolution sticker. As well as we got White Boy Roy Official rocking the warmest merch in the game, an Evolution hoodie, dude. Thank you so much for snagging some merch. Guys, if you want to support the channel and let everyone know you're part of Team Buckhouse, consider snagging an Evolution sticker or any of the hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves. It is the warmest merch in the game. You'll be sweating out here like I am. If you do snag any of the merch, though, make sure you guys tag me on my Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs like I just did right there. But enough talking, let's get more riding to do. Got me! We got some Keystone level stick on that rail. Whew. So we just rode this side of the mountain. We're gonna go ride this side of the mountain. They got so much terrain open. The thing I love about Wolf Creek opening day is it's ski at your own risk, you know? There's no ropes up, there's no don't go this way. If you want to go that way, go that way. Just know you might die. I love that, freedom, you know? Let's take a second and appreciate the views here at Wolf Creek. I know we're on a camera that's not gonna really justify it, but everywhere around this mountain is just gorgeous. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Subscribe to join the strongest ski and snowboard community on the internet. Let's go. I literally said, I really hope I don't stick on the log. We 1000% stuck on the log, but that was so fun. Thankfully there was a lot of snow there. Woo! So I know what you guys are thinking. Cody, where'd you get those sick pants? And Cody left his pants back at home. We drove 4 hours to get here. So Cody is wearing his jacket as pants. And just so you guys know, windbreakers can double up as pants. So it's getting really hot and really warm, and what's happening is the snow is melting in spots. So we're getting more of these dirt spots showing up. So we gotta be even more careful now because it was already bare and now it's getting like muddy. It's getting a little sketchy. I think this one might be chipmunk. There is a rail at the bottom we might try to session for a second. In all honesty though, I'm just so stoked to be back out snowboarding on chairlift. And the season has started.
Rock surprised me there.
Yeah. Okay, so we completed it even though it's a little sticky. But Drew has some wax. We're gonna rub some quick wax on this and see if maybe we can get a board slide. This is Drew, by the way. He went to my snowboard camp. It was sick. If you missed a snowboard camp video, you can check one out right here.
No, I think the wax fell out of my pocket.
You dropped the wax!
Wait, I dropped some of it. I have one more square left.
one more. We'll see what we can get done with this wax.
I have another one.
Wax on.
Yeah, I'll do a double back.
All right, she's waxed. Drew had vanilla wax, by the way, and let's see if we can get a couple more hits. Not gonna lie though, guys, if we're gonna hike this, it's gotta be a t-shirt. It's so hot. Woo! Yeah. Alright guys, sketchy rail session on a sketchy rail. Definitely not our best rail riding, but that was fun for as unique and interesting as Wolf Creek just having one random rail sitting on the mountain. It's definitely special. Look how trashed my snowboard got today. We definitely need the ski dock some love, but this is not the snowboard I'm gonna be riding this year. But whew, what snowboard do you guys get? Comment that down below. I want to know what deck you riding this year, guys. With all that being said, what a sick day, guys. POW opening day, you can't beat that. Tomorrow we got A Basin opening day. So once again, subscribe to the channel if you're new. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash like if you did. Share it with your mom. I'm sure she'd love to watch this video. And with that, Team Buckhouse, as always, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow. with another video.